there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a battle of the bots, the Roborock Q7 Max and the Lefant M210 Pro. Buckle up because things are about to get clean. First up, the Roborock Q7 Max. This bad boy boasts a mind-blowing 4,200 pascals suction power. Reviewers love its ability to handle pet hair, debris, and even deep clean carpets by automatically increasing suction. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro has a unique suction mouth and powerful suction, but keeps the exact numbers a mystery. Reviewers say it's great for pet owners, but note it's more of a gentle clean compared to Roborock's intense suction. Next, let's talk cleaning modes. The Roborock Q7 Max is a multitasking ninja, vacuuming and mopping simultaneously with 30 water flow levels. Reviewers appreciate its efficiency and versatility. Meanwhile, the Lefant M210 Pro offers 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. Reviewers highlight its versatility, but note it can't mop and vacuum at the same time. Roborock Q7 Max uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation, praised by reviewers for its precise mapping and ability to add virtual furnishings. It's like The Sims, but with actual cleaning. Lefant M210 Pro comes with FreeMove 3.0 technology and 6D anti-collision sensors. Reviewers love its ability to navigate tight spaces and avoid obstacles, but it lacks the fancy 3D mapping features. Let's talk money. The Roborock Q7 Max will set you back $599. Reviewers feel it's worth the investment for its high performance and features. The Lefant M210 Pro is a more budget-friendly $209. Reviewers appreciate its value for money, offering decent performance without breaking the bank. Reviewers generally praise the Roborock Q7 Max for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and versatile cleaning modes. It's considered a high-performance, premium option. The Lefant M210 Pro receives positive reviews for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness in tight spaces, making it a great budget-friendly choice. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Roborock Q7 Max is the luxury SUV of robot vacuums, powerful, feature-packed, and ready to tackle any mess. The Lefant M210 Pro is the compact car, affordable, efficient, and perfect for those tight spaces. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another smart buying decision. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.